ASCEND was evaluating whether omega-3 fatty acid supplements might be of benefit for the reduction of cardiovascular events in people with diabetes. And over the nearly 7.5 years of follow-up of the study, unfortunately, we did not demonstrate any benefit of these supplements in terms of reduction in risk of serious vascular events, that's heart attacks, strokes or TIAs, or vascular death, compared with placebo. A disappointing finding, as we always would be keen to have benefits of supplements, but consistent with recent meta-analyses of omega-3 fatty acids. ASCEND is the largest and longest duration placebo-controlled trial of omega-3 fatty acid supplements ever. It included 15,500 people with diabetes, all in the UK. They had diabetes but no previous history of any cardiovascular disease. They were randomised to receive either 1 gram of omega-3 fatty acid supplements compared with placebo, and we followed them for an average of 7.4 years. The follow-up was very complete. We're lucky in the UK to have electronic health records to help us with that, but also the participants returned questionnaires very well to us. And adherence with study treatment was also excellent, with over 3/4 of the participants on average taking their omega-3 capsules. We looked at safety very carefully. We collected information on all serious adverse events, and we didn't find any evidence of any harm at all when one looks across the board at all different types of category of event. So that's reassuring. These supplements certainly don't seem to be causing any problems. But in terms of whether patients should continue taking them, then I think the study really does not provide any justification for the use of this dose of omega-3 fatty acids for the prevention of cardiovascular disease.
Well, we found a very interesting result with omega-3 supplementation at a low dose, the 1 gram dose, that overall didn't seem to have much benefit. But an intriguing finding on cardiovascular death that had been seen in the prior meta-analysis. And so there's a bit of a question of, could this have a single effect on cardiovascular death? And thankfully there's another primary prevention trial, the VITAL study, that will be released later this year. So we'll look forward to that on the supplementation level use of omega-3 or fish oil. Somewhat separately, the higher doses of omega-3s at the 4 gram doses are used with a goal currently of reducing triglycerides and approved for that use. And the question is, does that triglyceride lowering with fish oil reduce cardiovascular events? We'll have the first of 2 trials coming later this year, and another one will be probably 2 years out. And so somewhat related, and it's the same drug, but 2 different dosing strategies, and we'll just really have to stay tuned, I think, on both aspects to see, could this play a role in clinical practice.